Do you get confused between have, has, and had? Don't worry. In today's lesson, I will explain them in a very simple way with daily use examples. By the end of this video, you will be able to use have, has, and had confidently while speaking English. Hello friends, welcome back to Premlata Speaks English. Today we will learn have, has, and had in a very simple and practical way. We use have with I, you, we, they. Examples: I have a book, you have a car, we have a meeting, they have a house. We use has with he, she, it. Examples: he has a laptop, she has a new phone, it has 4 wheels. Remember, he, she, it equal to has, I, you, we, they equal to have. Stay with me because now we will learn had, which many learners find confusing. We use had for the past. Examples: I had a bicycle. She had a dog. We had a meeting yesterday. Easy rule: had equal to past. Daily life examples. Today, I have a car. Last year, I had a bicycle. Today, she has a phone. Before, she had a basic phone. Notice how we use have and has for the present but had for the past. Spoken English practice. Now repeat after me. I have a book. She has a car. We have a meeting. He had a laptop. They had a great day. These are very common mistakes. Be careful while speaking. Let's test your understanding. Question 1. He dash a car. A have, B has. Answer: has. Question number 2. They dash a meeting. A have, B has. Answer: have. Question number 3. Last year, I dash a bicycle. A had, B has. Answer: had. That's the easiest way to remember have, has, and had. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and subscribe to Premlata Speaks English and comment below. Have, has, had. See you in the next lesson.